Hello, 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 everybody. How are you guys doing today? Today, I am going to make something that I really probably don't need, but I wanted to do it because I want to try out simple, easy, cheap way of cooking. As you know, everything is so expensive these days, and to make everything, oh, my head itching. To make everything from scratch is pretty costly, one of those. Anyway, and I just want to make a couple of dishes that are simple and cheap. So I'm not sure if you know, probably some of you know my background. I graduated from the Riverside Culinary Academy, where our books was part of the Cordon Bleu cuisines. And yes, I'm certified, and I love to cook, and I love to eat. So let's get cooking. I'm gonna turn my camera around. So when I say easy, it's gonna be easy. So this is, I'm not a sponsor of any of these items, Betty Crocker, whatever, but this cake mix is the best that I have found. The oven is preheating to 350. You follow everything on the box. 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, 3 eggs. This is 16 ounces of sour cream. You only put half of it. The chocolate chip cookie morsels and chocolate pudding, 3 eggs. The thing that I changed is the half of, I've added is the half of the sour cream and the chocolate pudding and the oil. So we're going to do 1 cup of water and a half of cup of oil and a half a cup of milk. So I do not, oh, I don't have my camera right, do I? I do not use whole milk or 2% milk. I use almond milk. You can use whatever milk your stomach like or whatever, but I'm going to use almond milk. And I'm going to put it into a bundt pan, and it's going to be good. So I'm going to mix it up, and we'll be back. One moment. I forgot to mention that we spray, I know you saw this can of vegetable spray. We spray the pan, the bundt pan, so that it doesn't stick. Because the chocolate morsels, they go to the bottom, and they have a tendency of sticking on the pan. And plus, my pan has been used. See all these scratches in it? Yeah, I made a lot of chocolate chip bundt cakes. You don't want to overmix these box cakes because they come out flat. I've made a lot of box cakes over my life, and I thought that you had to get all those little pieces out. No, you don't. You're gonna just mix it up the best way you can without over mixing. Now, I watched this one lady. She's just so cute on, and I can't remember names, but she wears a, oh, I should look her name up real quick. She wears like a rag on her head, and it is so cute, but she can cook, and I'm pretty sure her stuff be the bomb. And they say if a person is not fat, they ain't cooking. I kind of believe that because, you know, Miss Mary Riding Hood over here. You want to get room temperature water, but I just go on and just put warm water in there. And some people say, you're supposed to mix the wet and the dry together. That's when you're doing everything scratch, okay? You're supposed to put the eggs in a container so you don't get all the shells in there. Y'all get the shells in there like I just not did? Then just pick it out. That easy. You know, I have a cousin. She makes a German chocolate chip cake, And it is so, so, so good. You know, I only get that on special occasion. I was hoping she was going to surprise me for Christmas and come and make it, but she didn't. She had to work on Christmas, and I understood that, but I still was hoping that she came and surprised me. And I am mixing, you just mix it all together. Mix it all together. Ooh, I just made a mess. Did y'all see that? Mix it all together in the bowl. Not all over the bowl. That's okay. And I washed my hands. I washed my hand about 500 times today. Ooh-wee. Vegetable oil is the best oil to use. The box says vegetable oil. Use vegetable oil. Some people do not use vegetable oil. I believe you can do any kind of oil that you want. I've already sprayed my bundt cake. Here's my almond milk. And, you know, I watch people on YouTube, and they always talk about what some people say in the comments and stuff. And I'm always looking for constructive criticism, you know, something I can use. I'm always asking when I'm making my fluid arts and things, and I'm doing that. Hey, I know I'm new. I'm a beginner at this. Can somebody help me out? And I don't get anyone, you know, saying anything. It's like, come on. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to get somebody saying something about this cake. A box cake? Yeah, a box cake. It's going to be good cake, too. I like to clean as I go. I don't like a mess. I do not like a mess. Those boxes, you can recycle them too. They're made of cardboard. You know, when I was growing up, my mother used to make cakes and stuff. But every time she made a cake, she was like, don't jump around. Don't make any movement because it's going to make your cake flat. But watching people now on YouTube, they don't think so. Who used to do this? Bringing back memories, huh? Yeah, I know. You know, I'm gonna put some more spray. No, I think that's good. I was gonna put some more around the middle part, but I think that's good. So how long did that take me to mix up? 5 minutes? Oh yeah, I did it right. I did it right. So normally I would, yeah, you guys know it, put the morsels in, but this one I am going to mix them in the middle because last time I did this, when did I make this? I want to say Easter of last year. It was just, no, oh, that was the cookies I made. Easter of last year, I made this cake, and it was just too many morsels. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm getting older. It was just kind of like too rich. So this time I wanted to just try something different and put the cake mix, put the morsels, and then put the cake mix on top of the morsels and do it that way, just to see how it was gonna come out. And my cat is thinking I'm talking to her, and she's like at attention, like, what are you saying? What are you talking about? I'm not talking to you, Twilight. Well, I am now. Look at her. What are you saying? And I wash my hands. So make sure you get all that good stuff. Waste not, want not. Don't know what that means, but that's another old saying I used to hear. Waste not, want not. Is it because you don't want it? You don't be wasteful? It is not a very pretty day here today. One of them days to stay in the house and make a double chocolate chip cake. Ooh wee. Yes, I'm getting it all. I'm getting it all. Now you spread that around. Make sure it's even. I saw a lady the other day on, I want to say, the cooking channel. She made a cake and she dropped, I mean, not dropped it, but sorry, I'm washing my hands again. She took the cake to make it easy and she just went boop. And I'm like, oh, my mama would have had a heart attack. If she would have saw that, I should have probably put the girl on punishment. So I am going to also kind of poke this in. So I know the cake is going to form over it, but that's it. The cake is ready to put into a 350 oven for an hour. Yep, 1 hour. So this is a button pan, and so I will check on this in 45 minutes. See you soon. So I came and checked it at 45 minutes and didn't turn on the camera. There was no need for me to show you that. But it is an hour and a couple of minutes later, and just washed my hands. And that looks pretty stern, huh? I don't have to stick the toothpick in and do all that other stuff. It's ready. It's been over an hour, and I flipped the cake over in a plate, and look how pretty that is. Look at how pretty that is. It is so firm. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna slice it. Hold on. Here we go. I'm just gonna make a little piece. So remember, I changed it and did the morsel and the morsel. Ooh, that look good. Rinse this off real quick. Clean that knife up. And I forgot I'm videotaping her. Can you see how pretty that is? Ooh, that's all chocolate in the cake. I use a spoon. Oops. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know if y'all see, but I'm over here doing a little dance. Can you tell that I love chocolate? Oh, wait. Yeah. Some cold milk. I give the big slices to Michael. The big pieces here, but these my little small ones. Oh, I gotta give Leah some cake, so she'll get half of that. So I just did a mini mukbang. Ooh, everybody, that tastes. Look, now I'm putting the stuff in the dishwasher. I need to be beat up. We're doing a video, Thelma. Beat up. Just to show that I do clean up too. But, oh Lord, okay. Everybody, I love you. Thank you. That is a good cake. You should try it. Bye-bye. What daddy? That's some good cake. My goodness. I can't eat a lot of that cake. And I will never lose this weight. Daddy. Put all of this in the dishwasher. Still don't have enough to put it on. Get the cake pan down. Ooh-wee, this thing is recording. And you know, I don't know how to erase it. So y'all just heard me talking to my dog and to myself. Love you.